So we are from robotics with an X. So we started off with teaching workshops in school, out school, and workshops a lot more. And now we are into manufacturing products. This is our product Phiro, which is fully make in India, right from ideation, manufacturing, and marketing. So this puts India into global toy market. So Phiro helps kids from ages 4 and above. It has 5 types of programming. One is sequential keys, which uses keys to program. And the second type of programming is swish cards. They have to have cards with binary codes that they have to swipe and program. The third type is it's also Lego compatible. Kids can able to use Lego parts on the top of Phiro and build anything they want, and they can program it. And fourth and fifth are we are into totally open source. We use Scratch and Pocket Code, which are open source, that can be integrated with Phiro and can be programmed.